Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for January 28th. This is our first weather briefing of 2019, and welcome back, everybody. So, taking a look at the weather today, we're just going to be seeing some mostly cloudy skies, pretty similar to what we are seeing out there this morning. We are going to be seeing those winds northerly for the next hour or two, and then they're going to be shifting more northeasterly around 10 to 15 knots late this morning and early this afternoon, and then dying off, becoming fairly calm as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, we do have a area of low pressure off the southeast coast, and that's going to continue to move northeast away from the eastern seaboard, and that's helping to give us these upper level clouds this morning. And we will be, as that low continues to track away from the country, we are going to see those clouds slowly clear out as we go into this evening and tonight, becoming mostly clear at times tonight. And then as we get our next system approaching the area tomorrow, we'll see those clouds increase by mid-morning tomorrow. So as of 8 a.m., we're seeing a broken deck at 17,000 feet. It was overcast at 25,000. Winds were northeasterly around 8 knots with a temperature of 36 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing some fairly seasonable temperatures today. Normally seeing a high of 44. Today we're going to be seeing the high of 41 early this afternoon. Those winds, like I said, are going to be increasing late this morning from the northeast at around 10 to 15 knots, and then slowly dying off as we go through the late afternoon hours into the early evening, becoming light and variable overnight before they shift south-southeasterly by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow at 5 to 10 knots, and then by mid-morning tomorrow we're going to see those winds turn southerly around 8 to 13 knots, possibly seeing just a little bit gusty winds at times by mid to late morning tomorrow. Seeing a pretty mild low this morning with those winds pretty mild low tomorrow morning, seeing those winds turning more southerly, giving us a little bit of a warmer air mass than we normally expect for this time of year, with the lows in the mid-30s. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to continue to see those broken and overcast decks at near 18 and 25,000 feet throughout the day. After about 10 a.m., there is a chance we'll see a couple cumulus clouds near 5,000 feet, fair weather clouds pop up, but looks like pretty low chances of that, just mostly seeing those upper level clouds, and then those will become few to scattered after about 5 p.m. this evening. Then tonight is seeing mostly clear skies, possibly seeing a few at 2 and a few at 5,000 feet, continued scattered deck at 25,000 feet after midnight. And then as we go into mid-morning tomorrow, we'll see those mid and upper level clouds start to increase once again across the area, becoming scattered at 5,000 feet, scattered at 15, and then broken and overcast at 20 and 25,000 feet, with normal tides across the region this morning. Taking a look at the next couple of days here. Tomorrow we're going to be seeing mostly cloudy to overcast skies. We are going to be having a cold front move across the area, and that's going to give us a chance of a shower late in the day. It is going to be a little bit breezy at times with those southerly winds through much of the day ahead of that front. We're going to be seeing the high of 52. Then Tuesday night, we're going to see those temperatures drop pretty quickly with that front, as the air mass is going to be very cold, and that precipitation is going to linger a little bit. So we are going to be seeing that chance of a rain shower early in the night or late in the afternoon, evening Tuesday, and then Tuesday night that should transition to some snow across much of the Delmarva. It's going to be a pretty quick moving front, and we're going to see the air dry out really quickly behind it as it passes. So going to be just seeing a couple hours of chance of seeing some brief scattered snow showers, only expecting around a half an inch here at Wallops, and maybe an inch up towards the Salisbury area, and maybe closer to Cambridge too. So not really seeing much accumulation across the area with that, and any precipitation does look like it's going to end by midnight, with skies then becoming mostly clear afterwards. It is going to be windy though, especially as we go into late Tuesday night and into Wednesday, seeing those winds pretty gusty at times behind that front. Wednesday looking at partly cloudy to perhaps mostly cloudy at times, with that colder air moving in. Could be seeing a slight chance of an afternoon snow flurry. Looks like less than 15% chance of that happening at this time, but it is going to be a cold high of 39 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.